good morning, or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. Today, what you are going to do is you're going to begin using what you've learned with genetics and heredity to create your paper pet family. Now, the first thing that you are going to need to do is determine, do you want your parents to be white or green? Now, you can have one white parent, one green parent, two white parents, or two green parents. The decision is up to you. Once you have decided what color you want your parents to be, what you are going to do on your Punnett Square handout, if you look where it says trait number 1, color, you are going to write down your genotypes. Now, how you determine the genotypes is, if you look on this sheet, it gives you the genotypes for your different traits. For example, green is dominant. So if you chose a green parent, it can either be two capital letters, capital G, or it could be a capital G and a lowercase g, a heterozygous green parent. If you chose white for your parent, since white is recessive, you need to choose two lowercase letter g's. That is the only allele combination for your white parents. Once you have the color of your parents done, what you are going to do next is work through the 4 other traits. First, you will have one female parent and one male parent. The sign for the female parent is a little curl. A male parent has just the straight line. And you can see in this image, this parent would be a female because it has the curl. Once again, once you determine your male and female, XX for female, both capitals, and XY for male. They are going to look very different than what we've been doing in class, but those will stay that way. So you'll put those two genotypes in your Punnett square underneath trait number 2. Once you complete your Punnett squares, you will have 4 boxes filled with potentially 4 different genotypes. Once you have your 4 genotypes figured out, those are going to represent your children or the offspring from your 2 parents that you began with. Once you have that completed, what you are going to do is you're going to fill in the traits, the genotype and the phenotype for both, on your paper pets. The handout for the paper pets will be up front. Determine if you are using a green or a white, because those will be colored green and white on the paper for you. Remember, the phenotype is the physical appearance. So for example, color, it could either be green or white. Gender will be male or female. Eyes will be square or round. Nose will be triangular or oval. And teeth will either be square or pointed. So for the phenotypes, it's what you can physically see, the physical characteristic. The genotypes are going to be the 2 letter combinations. And if you look at number 4 over here, it gives you the different genotypes and which one is dominant and which one is recessive. You have to use your background knowledge to determine the genotypes based on the dominant and recessive. You will have 2 days to finish this. Friday, what you need to complete is to have all of the traits done for all 6 of the 2 parents and your 4 offspring. Once you get all of that completed and all 6 of your Punnett squares filled in, you can get the colored construction paper and glue your paper pets onto that construction paper. Once you have it glued on, you will draw the traits on the front, kind of like what you see up here with our example. If you're unsure of what it should look like, there are examples of projects from previous classes up front. Use those to assist you.